How to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online stores with ease, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates, making it accessible to users with little to no technical background. And Shopify also offers features such as secure payment processing, inventory management, marketing tools, and integration with various sales channels. And now to create an account, you can simply click the login button or start free trial button. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now from here to start adding the WhatsApp button, we can simply start clicking firstly to view our online store in here, this icon, and you will be directed in here and it will show you that there is no other here or WhatsApp button included. And to add one, you can simply install an application by clicking Add Apps button on the left side panel, and in this pop-up window, just simply click Shopify App Store in here. Upon doing so, you will be directed on this page where you can simply enter on the search bar WhatsApp. And upon searching the application of WhatsApp, it will show you a variety of option of application in here. And just choose this WhatsApp button by ease. By clicking on it, it will show you that it offers a free plan available or also free trial. And as you can see, some of the feature it offers is that you can add WhatsApp chat button to your shop, where customers can directly and easily contact you in here. You'd also navigate here to start installing it. Just click the install button to proceed. Then you will automatically be directed on this page once again, and to proceed installing it, you can simply click here again the install button to proceed. And upon doing so, all you need to do is to wait for it to load until this WhatsApp button has now been fully or successfully installed in here. And after that, you will be directed on this page and you can start navigating the latest updates of this WhatsApp button. It will show you below here the frequently asked question about how to use this one, but just click the settings button on the left side panel in here and firstly enter on this pop-up window your WhatsApp phone number. And after that, you can click save and enable button to proceed. Upon doing so, you'll be able to be directed on the page or your editor section of your Shopify web store or website in here. And after that, in the left side panel, it will show you the app embed. So kindly enable this one to enable the WhatsApp chat button. And after that, it will show you in here this chat with us, which is the button for WhatsApp. And now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner. And after that, you will now be able to see here that you have now successfully added the WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. But to start customizing the WhatsApp button in here, you can simply go back in this page and under this WhatsApp button application, just simply click the settings. And below you can start customizing the free field messages. You can check these boxes to enable the free field messages. And under appearance, you can start customizing the context including the logo, text button, and also the button text in here. Instead of chat with us, I'm going to enter here contact us. And aside from that, you could also change what kind of logo or button would you want to reflect on your online store. I'm going to choose this logo circle button. But you could also click or choose this agent circle button with your profile on it. You can simply upload an agent image if you want to from your computer files. However, from here, aside from that below, you could also change the sizes and the color of it. However, you need to have an upgrade or pro account in order to access this kind of feature. You could also change the placement or the position of it to your online store, the spacing in here, where you can adjust depending on your preferences, and even the distance from the bottom. You could also navigate the visibility, the button hierarchy, and even navigate here some other integrations. And if you're now done editing some of the things, just click the save button on the top right. Now after saving the changes, just simply click this view your online store to visit what it looks like. And from here, you'll be able to see here below, this is the WhatsApp button that we just add earlier. And when you try to click on it, the customer will be directed on this page where they can start continuing with our chat to contact us regarding their concern. In which the main purpose of this WhatsApp button in Shopify store is to provide customers with a quick and convenient way to directly communicate with the store owner or support team through WhatsApp. And overall, that is just basically how you can add WhatsApp button on Shopify store.